We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a frustrating and annoying problem because you're wanting to go and be able to use your iPhone with the internet, like downloading apps, browsing the internet, watching videos, etc., and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure you watch this full guide. So to get started, go and open up your settings. Now, what you want to do is go down and go and find Wi-Fi. So if you've tapped join and it just keeps circling, what you want to do is go to the right and press the I, and then you can go and press forget the network and forget it, turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it back on. And then what you can try doing is tapping the network, entering in the password, and hopefully you can then go and join. If you still find that it isn't working, the next thing you want to try doing is you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for general. Scroll down in general and you need to go and find date and time and tap there. Now you want to make sure this is set automatically. If you're going to set it to a custom one that's incorrect, that can go and cause problems and not allow the iPhone to connect to Wi-Fi. So make sure it's set automatically like so. Next, you want to go and make sure that your iPhone isn't trying to go and connect to a VPN because that can go and stop it properly from connecting to Wi-Fi. And it will go and stop the Wi-Fi working. So what you want to do is if you've got a VPN app, open it up and you can go and turn it off within there. You can open your settings, you move the VPN switch here, make sure it's switched off. And also you can come down to general, scroll down in here and you need to go and find VPN and device management and you can go and make sure it's not trying to be turned on here. So go and turn it off. Then after you've done that, return to Wi-Fi and you can try joining the network, enter in the password, and then hopefully you're then able to go and join. Now, if you're still finding that it isn't, what we're going to do is come out of here, scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security, then press location services, scroll down and go and find system services. In here, you need to go and find networking and wireless and switch that off, and we'll go and press turn off. Then what we can do is go and perform a restart. So press volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. This is known as a forced restart. It's a quick way of restarting your iPhone and you don't use the screen. Keep it held down. Shortly the screen goes black, but keep the button held down. You only release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So shouldn't be much longer. There it is. Now the iPhone is coming back on. So keep waiting and it should go and bring us to the lock screen very soon. And we can go and continue once we're there. As you can see, here we are. So you can swipe up, enter in your passcode, come back to your settings, scroll down, and we need to go and find privacy and security, then go into location services and scroll down and find system services, switch on networking and wireless. Then what you can do is come back to your Wi-Fi and try connecting again. So find the network, tap on it, enter in the password, and then hopefully it's going to go and work. Now, if you still find that it isn't, what you can do is close out of this. You want to scroll down and find the option for general. Scroll down again and you can find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset and you can go and reset the network settings. So you tap that there, enter in the passcode to confirm it. And after you've done that, you can come back and try joining the Wi-Fi. And then hopefully you're going to be able to join. Now, if it still isn't working, it's worth going and just making sure the router is definitely working. Try it within the device. There could be a problem with the router. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.